I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your OnePlus Nord CE4 is updated. This ensures compatibility. Once done, enable required permissions, overlays, notifications, and accessibility. You'll need a third-party dynamic island app. Choose one designed for Oxygen OS. Install it and open the app to grant the requested rights. This step lets the app display interactive bubbles above the status bar. Make sure background optimization is disabled for the app so it stays active. Without that, notifications may not surface correctly. You now configure the dynamic island. Pick a visual style, bubble size, and animation speed to match your preference. Then map which notifications trigger the island. Assign calls, music, timers, and specific app alerts. Once configured, set touch zones and swipe gestures so a tap expands details while a swipe dismisses or opens apps. Make sure notification priorities are enabled in system settings because the app relies on those to decide which events appear. If you tweak spacing and transparency, you balance visibility with screen content. Finish by testing. Place a call, play music, start a timer, and send a message to trigger each bubble. Lock the app in recent apps and disable battery optimizations so it won't be killed. This guarantees consistent behavior. Once everything works, you can fine-tune positions and haptics for comfort. If the island fails to appear, revoke and re-grant overlay and notification permissions, then restart the phone. Often a permissions reset fixes missed notifications and restores proper interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.